what we have here today is another view fan. This time we have a 48-inch industrial with curved blades, curved aluminum blades. It is light kit adaptable via the nut here. Spin it. Ah, yes. Up here you got the tags. New fan. There's the other tag. So it's labeled new fan. However, that doesn't mean much of anything. New fan was nothing but a distributor for ViewFan. It's all the same thing. And this one's that nice, warm, reddish brown. It's quite nice. So, let's now see how this thing performs. For the sake of testing, I am using a solid-state variable speed control. It's a bit easier to use than the capacitor-based controls because the capacitor-based controls don't respond the same way towards every fan. So, like a lot of fans, the low speed will be alright. Alright. Then you go to medium and it's basically high speed, and then medium high is resonant frequency, and then actual high is even more of a resonant frequency, or on the other side of the spectrum you have instances where the lowest speed won't even work. So, yeah, solid state gives you the best flexibility, but at the same time you also have the increased noise. Let's inch the speed up just a little bit. Put it up about 1/8 of a turn. Now the difference between new fans and golden fans is they're very subtle, but again they're both products of ViewFan. The new fans, with the curved, with all of their blades, they use 4 rivets with the blade irons. New fans also have one angle on the edge of the bottom end bell. Golden fans have 2. Golden fans, they have 4 rivets, but the pattern is in a diamond. It's a diamond pattern. So it's just a little different. Also, the Golden fans don't have the upward pitch of the new fans. Again, the differences are subtle, but they're there. Let's inch the speed up another 1/8 of a turn or so. It's starting to move air now. Now, when I got this fan, it was in the box for a Supreme Mark III hugger, which is basically an Emperor hugger. Very interesting. Because usually when you see a box, it doesn't have what's in it. And usually if you see an old box, it's either full of something else, or it's a newer fan with an older fan, or newer fan box with an older fan in it. In this case, yeah, equally interesting fan was in the box. So, yay. Okay, so now we're going to put the speed up another 1/8 of a turn or so. Of course, the motor is cast iron. That was the thing with all View fans before they moved to China. Yeah, before they moved to China. If I had to guess a date for this, I would say maybe 80, 81, 82, yeah, sometime in the early 80s. Okay, let's go to straight up high. Now it's really starting to move the air. It does not move quite as much air as some other 48-inch industrials, but I'd still say it's just a little better than 48-inch Unions. I would say it's middle of the road. It's not a turd ball by any means, but at the same time it doesn't quite move as much air as, say, an SMC M48 or an old 48-inch Weatherite or Leading Edge, whatever you want to call those. But it does the job pretty well, at least. And now let's let it coast. Wobble is pretty minimal, which is always good. you go. A 48-inch curved blade view fan labeled new fan.